Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert. Today we are going to make an electric PVC cutter using a soldering iron. We cannot use old soldering iron for this purpose, but the 35-watt iron with a wooden handle, which is very much cheap. This is a new soldering iron I bought for this use. I have not used this iron for soldering job. Altering this one to PVC cutter is a very simple job. Let's start by dismantling this iron first. This is the 35-watt coil filament which is kept between the metal case. You can see that, right? We are going to place the cutting blade inside the heating coil. I have only this big blade with me which we can use for cutting job. If you have a small blade, then it will be a perfect choice for this purpose. We will try to place the blade between the heating coil. This we will not use. We have to fix in such a way that maximum heat need to transfer to this blade. We will reduce the length of the blade now. Do it very carefully, else it may cut your flesh. Let's test this. We are switching this on. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever we upload a new video. try this at your home. If you have any suggestions, please comment on this video so that we will know that. If you like our video, please click like button. If you do not like our video, click dislike button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever we upload a new video. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.